How to use virtual credit card on Union Bank. The first things first, if you don't have a new Union Bank application, well, you'll have to download it via your Google Play Store if you're using an Android device. From your Play Store, just simply type in Union Bank or Union Digital Bank. Now choose on the orange logo that says Union Bank Online, and you'll just have to install it. Now, once you have installed Union Bank Online on your phone, make sure that you already created an account out of your UB account. Now, once you've created an account, all you have to do is just log into your account. Now, after you logged in, you'll have to go to My Dashboard and head to Manage Cards. Now, for Manage Cards, there will be an option right there that says Generate the Virtual Credit Card. Now, all you have to do is just to follow through those processes for you to be able to customize the settings specifically for your virtual credit card. Now, once everything is set, you will be provided a card number, the expiration date of the card, and then the CVV code. And once everything is set up, the way that you can use or how you can use your virtual credit card is through any online purchases. You'll just have to make sure that you're trying to or you're purchasing to an online store which is going to be safe. So that's it. That's basically how you can use your Union Bank virtual credit card.